Greene Tweed doing about creating product solutions for these problems? Greene Tweed invests heavily in product development, and part of it is bolting on capabilities that can mimic or very closely reproduce the processes and the environments that our customers are seeing. So one of the things that Greene Tweed does is we have plasma labs, and we have arrays of etch equipment. And these pieces of etch equipment are set up very similar to etch equipment that's in the field. And our etch equipment has the turbo pumps, the pendulum valves, we're striking plasma gases, we're cycling the valve in tests with plasma, and we're learning things and developing materials and designs to be better in these valve applications. Again, looking at the surfaces of the materials in these tests, right? Not guessing at it, but actually running these valves and determining what materials are best, which ones are most resistant. How can we develop and innovate our material technologies to resist this exact phenomenon? The better we are at resisting, the better the performance is going to be. That's just one part of it. Again, remember the triangle. We have design, we have material, we have hardware. So those three things together are going to give us the best solution.